Well, I don't give up, everybody have a problem with that. The who is it that pour me a bruise it? That's so soon, sip it, them a try stop my food ticket. But if you want the bread up on the crucifix, if you can't feed everybody with few fishes and 5 bread, if you can't make water turn in a wine sack, waste time. If you can't eat blind or raise dead, cause it gonna take a miracle.
Yeah, good morning. Yes, good morning. I'm not stay long. Man, it's straight talk. You may say. I'm going to start off with cartel. This is what I say. Me hear them come up, some artists and talk some things about cartel. T.O.K., Miss Alexis, and all these other artists. Yeah, you see me? You see all man all of this boom boom for nothing at all. This is what I say. For what? Then me hear another selector come out and say a cartel for shoot. Well, you hear me I say I like them I tell because I'm over for shoot. Because Movado sing a song when the man Popcorn and war saying step past the father and married the son. You see me? So I'm Movado for starting. You see me? And then he welcome Alkaline to the war. And Alkaline him start show a word. You see what I say? So I'm about to crucify the world boss. And Mr. Lexus we sing we chat about cartel sing all heap of crap. Nobody like none of your song them. Eh? You sound like I don't know what you sound like. The whole want to come and diss up the man, through the man they are prison. I mean know if he be out there, someone wanna run up on the mouth so and I chat so. That's what I say. Someone wanna diss the man and I hide. Eh? That's what I say. But you hear me I say, Jack your advice from behind bars. You see me? Some men say nothing wrong if cartel advice from behind bars. You see me I say. And a whole heap of high society people happy when them hear artists are go against cartel. Them thing is foolish. Because prison man make for dog. And someone out there we are lick out against him and do some dangerous thing to some other people. That's what I say. Yeah. So you hear me I say. Me don't see nothing wrong with cartel doing music same way. You see me? No man, not perfect. You see me? And prison never make for dog. You see what I say? Straight. No politics time. So I say, yo, all of the comrades them, wanna come out, vote for the party. You see what I say? Vote for the party. And that's why we not win sometimes because we not come out like how you see Liberate them come out. We are watch one another and say we not get nothing, we not vote and this councillor this way and rare. But the councillor for this one. We don't cut no crap man and come out. You see me? I'm on the election. We're not going to sit down and make them win back. We need to give it a try. Even make them win back, make to give it a try now, man. Sure. What happened to you?
If you can't make Peter walk on the top of the water, you're not studying nothing difficult. Where your buy Versace for Anna, just see me up, piss it up. Yeah, my bad, but that is ridiculous. Stage. How some of them favor me, so they did the name, make them go for the result.
Cause it's gonna take a miracle. Cartel, it's gonna take a miracle. For me to love someone new. Cause I'm crazy for you. Yes, it's gonna take a miracle. World boss, it's gonna take a miracle. For me to love someone new. Cause I'm crazy for you.
Run up boss, I got ras chat it from a Gaza, them can't stop it. Them a fast profit, for tool in a cause traffic. Them a try drain at the energy, ball socket. I feel laugh at it, we level higher narcotics. You see a boat run past them fast rocket. Ratty bad mind, cause the boss lock it. The DNA come out and them no want a part of it. Tell them mother get the pick, the two man me want jacket. It have to be a miracle, but I know it. Lick a chip, I know me and ears. I think the baddest thing in a this a day and age. But up for the runner up, everything I rearrange. Me tell you no already.